हाँ.
So let us look at easy PMS next set of questions which are more related to the job and behavior during the work and job behavior. So these 7 questions again, like first question is talking about the quality of work. So suppose you are evaluating him as a like boss. So what is the quality of work you experienced? So rating 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 means excellent quality, okay, and 4 means good, 5 means 3 means okay, 2 barely meets the standard, and 1 is very mediocre. Now quality of work is here like subjective, like whether it is meeting the requirement of time, meeting the requirement of accuracy, bugs, those kind of issues. Next question is talking about the dependability and whether there is some output or deliverable things are there, like deliverability and dependability. So highly dependable, mostly dependable, meets expectations, and then somewhat unreliable and very unreliable, like poor timelines, poor promises, like how we are keeping our promises. So those things also we can experience. And with each experience and each rating, if you can give your comment for improvement, that will also help the individual to improve. The next question talks about current and quest of knowledge. So whether he is learning or he is stagnated. So learning is also very important. So this question measures the learning attitude. So whether he is disinterested, so then it is 1. And here in the question the domain knowledge will come, like suppose basic Java knowledge or basic HR knowledge or basic QA knowledge, and those kind of domain will be coming in this question automatically in easy PMS. And when he is like an expert in his field, he can be like a benchmark, he can be expert that okay, when you go to him, he will be having very reliable information about that aspect. Then you can say that yeah, he is 5 rating. The next question is process driven and goal oriented. Both things are important. The results and outcome is also important, which is goal orientation, and also the process orientation, the means to reach to the goal, the systematic working, the methodology, the coordination, the management which goes in achieving the goal. So again 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, you can rate his managerial skills, his process skills, whether he follows, he is organized, he is follows the process, correct? Like you have a scrum process, you have that agile related activities and all. So whether those processes are followed for estimation, for delivery and everything. Then the next question is about the productivity or quantity or volume of the work, whether we get sufficient work from, because sometimes this is also important, like how much is the quantity of work, not only the quality but quantity, because the productivity, the value for the time which is available, that also should be rated. So this rating again, it has to be the same questions are there for all the all the raters. The next question is about innovating problem solving, whether he thinks out of box, whether he thinks the solutions which are not so obvious solutions, whether he is creative. So like that, those kind of innovative problem solving should be used. That meets expectation, then you give 3. If it is outstanding display of problem solving and creativity with high creativity and innovation, then you can say 5. And you have to give some examples in the comment in each of these questions. These are not mandatory comments, but if you give, the inputs will be better for the improvement. The last question in this section on the job related ratings is related to whether he is open to giving idea and receiving ideas, whether he is open-mindedness. So whether he gives idea on a particular things, or sometimes like if it is like he don't give any idea, neither he shares anything, then you can give rating 1. Otherwise 5 is the desirable rating. So we'll go to the next sections in which we'll be talking about the personality related ratings. Thank you.